तेरी मेरी लव स्टोरी में ने ट्रिंगल छे आ देख पापा मम्मी अने मैं
हमारा बच्चा है वो।
पैदा तो मैंने किया ने। हेलो एवरीबॉडी, सेटल डाउन प्लीज, सेटल डाउन। बच्चा पैदा करना बड़ा काम है, हर एक से नहीं होता। मैं हूँ इंडिया की फर्स्ट चाइल्ड मशीन, नो इमोशन, ओनली प्रोफेशन।
आप बच्चों की दुकान चलाते हैं।
उम्मीदों की दुकान जैस्मिन।
अरे करंट लग जाएगा।
करंट तो करंट लगता है क्या?
कल आ जा, जोड़े से मिलवाती हूँ।
पागल हो गई है, किसी और का बच्चा पैदा करेगी। वो तो टेंशन ही न थी, 3 मिनट में ले जाएंगे। पैदा किया अने दिया। वी कॉल इट तीर निशाने पे।
हाँ, मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ।
वो भाग गई।
जब लगाव ज्यादा होता है ना तो घाव भी ज्यादा होता है।
मोहन लागे जब उसके पेट में था तो बेबी आपका कैसे?
सरोगेसी करवाई थी ना सर।
मोहन लागे मोहन तो से ऐसी कोई सूरत कर दे।
कभी कभी ने मिट्टी जड़ को पकड़ ली थी।
यार शम्से मखमल कर दे या पत्थर की मूरत।
आईना कैसे देखती है तू? सूरमा लगा के।
हम अपना बच्चा बेच नहीं रहे।
खरीदा था तो बेच भी सकते हो ने। अभी सुनी का आपने मेरी कहानी। आओ जो।
क्या करिए क्या करिए? क्या हुआ?
बधाई हो बेन।
अबे क्या बधाई हो?
Hi all the viewers of North America, you're watching the Monty Khan Show. I'm at the premiere of Dukaan in Mumbai and truly a pleasure to be with the producer Shikha Ahluwalia. Shikha, a great evening for you. Are you nervous, excited? What are the emotions going on right now through you?
I'm exhausted for now.
Exhausted, right? That's
Exhausted, in a very good way, because it's overwhelming to see your friends and family come. It's overwhelming to see a lot of people you don't know come. And, premiere is like actually like giving birth.
Giving birth.
Yeah.
I just read your mind. It's like you're giving birth to your baby.
Yes.
And people come
So
and
we've
critique
really,
it.
Exactly.
Good baby, bad baby.
Yeah.
Ye kya kar diya?
Actually, nobody says anything about the baby when they come to the hospital. Everybody says, such a cute baby.
Such a cute baby, yeah.
But, you feel happy because when you do something from your heart, this is a film which is a content-based film. Content is very loosely used nowadays.
Correct.
But this is truly something which has been written, thought over. The writers and directors have been to the area where surrogacy existed. It's shot in the real live locations. So, when we were wanting to produce something, we found this as the most honest subject to put our money on.
A good combination of fiction and non-fiction, let's put it this way.
Yes, absolutely.
Because it's very rare to see that, and I've seen movies in the past like 12 Fail and stuff like that, which have had reality and commercialized it for people to watch it,
Right.
So, one thing which I could read from the trailer, that you have made this film entertaining and educative.
Absolutely. See, for me, theatre is all about entertainment. Because we have lots of problems back home.
Oh yeah?
Even if you want to give a message, it should be in the envelope of good fun, When you teach your kids something, it's always good if you tell them with a smile on your face, rather than with a frown on your forehead. That's how Waveband's ideology is, that we want people to come to the theatre, go through the journey of the writer's mind, take you to a different world that stories do in a very beautiful way, but really get entertained. And in India, entertainment is a lot about music, That's the reason the best of music people in the industry, from Arjit Da to Mohit Chauhan to Shreya Ghosal to Sunidhi to, all the big people have supported this film.
Yeah,
And-
and even Sandeep Reddy Venga, the director of Animal, was here for the trailer of this movie, and it was phenomenal.
Absolutely.
And one of the biggest hits of this year, the guy flies
Yeah.
down from Hyderabad. So, Siddharth and Garima are true gems. And
100%. It's their
Baby.
total baby.
Baby, yeah.
But not only theirs. I always tell them, we are the fathers.
You're the fathers.
You're the mothers.
Very well said.
I know a mother, does a little more in front, they would, which they do. But without a father has his own heart, and we keep giving the support structure. And we are the father and mother combination.
Wow.
Yeah, and we've really delivered the baby with a lot of love.
A lot of love, and I love risk takers, and especially when you're talking about the industry. Everybody says movie tabhi chalegi jab Akshay Kumar hoga, Shah Rukh Khan hoga, Salman Khan hoga. It's not that anymore. Things have changed. If a donkey can flop, with putting in millions of dollars,
See, the audience have become very intelligent.
evolved.
And they've become, they've actually subconsciously upgraded.
Yes.
During COVID, we've thrown so much of content towards them that they have taken that content and they've become very wise,
Correct.
which is brilliant, You can't fool them. उनको अच्छा लगेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा.
लगेगा तो लगेगा.
लगेगा.
They won't fake it.
Yeah. And you can't get away with every film saying this is different.
You're smart. You're a smart producer. You must have read the script like 4-5 times. I'm sure about it before putting your money. Is this your
Absolutely.
Educate me. Is this your first movie?
Yeah, this is my first movie,
Okay.
and after this we have 3 more lined up for release, which are already done. So yeah,
I think you started on a good step. A movie that
Yes.
talks about surrogacy. A subject which is very delicate, very
Right.
sensitive.
yeah.
Is surrogacy a blessing or a curse for mankind? If I would have to ask you something.
Absolutely a blessing. Anything any human wants to do with their choice and make it into a profession, it's a blessing for that person and the person who benefits from that.
So why was it banned in 2021?
There are lots of things banned in different parts of the world for various reasons, but that doesn't define that thing is good or bad.
Correct.
Alcohol is banned in Gujarat, but surrogacy was allowed.
You got me. You got
Okay.
me. She checkmated me,
So,
guys.
yeah.
She checkmated me.
So yeah.
Well, I think if I had the crown in my hand, I would give you the title of Mrs. India. But Ashika, I think you're doing great.
Thank you,
I
Jay.
hope your production house makes wise choices.
Thank you.
We're all about intelligent cinema.
Yeah.
The Oscar committee loves intelligent cinema. The Americans love intelligent cinema.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that this message will go miles and miles and beyond continents.
Yeah, I really hope people enjoy the film and they get entertained, as I said,
You've seen it, right? How many times?
Multiple
There
times.
you go. That means the movie's a hit.
Of course,
If you can watch
multiple
it more than
times.
once.
And I cry every time I see the film.
Then yeah.
I laugh every time I see the film. I repeat the dialogues. My favorite dialogue is that I want my husband to ask me ke tu aina kaise dekhti hai, and I would say surma laga ke. That's
तो आईना
the
कैसे देखती है?
surma laga ke. This is a dialogue.
There's a dialogue from the movie.
Yeah, it's a pun on the woman ke yaar, you're such a forward going woman ki tu apni shakal kaise dekhti hai. So she says मैं सूरमा लगा के देखती हूँ. So the dialogues are phenomenal, and
But how did you get into production? This is my question. How did you get into filmmaking? What
see, I
happened?
was an advertising photographer before for a
Really?
decade, yeah.
Really?
And I did that for more than 10 years, and it was an eventuality that I had to move from there into another, profession.
Upgrade yourself.
I wouldn't degrade my photography. Photography is a brilliant,
Brilliant, yeah,
art
yeah.
itself, but I needed to do something where I make more money.
Okay.
And so this came naturally to me, and after COVID we opened Wave Band, and God is kind. Ever since we're just moving forward.
You met the right team, met the right people. That's all life is all about, guys. Meeting the right people, being at the right time. And I think Shikha is a brilliant woman. She knows she's got a head on her shoulders. She knows what's going on, and she's choosing good projects. Look, Shikha, if there is any message you would want to give all the women out there, female entrepreneurs in the United States, across the world who are watching this, what is something that you would want to share woman to woman? I'll give you the mic.
I would love to give it to the men also. I think they need more messages than women need. No, I'm joking. But for a woman or for a man, my message is that do what you want to do. The only person you need a yes or no is yourself. Once you are convinced, move ahead and achieve your dreams. The world will follow, you know. Because when you live your life, and I've heard it from elders, and I think it's like, you know, when the last moment of your life, your eyes close, you should not have a single regret. So live your life, you know. Live your life, दिल से जियो. दिल से जियो और दुनिया की परवाह किए बिना जियो.
और दुकान को देखो कल.
और दुकान को देखो. भगवान करे आप सबकी दुकान अच्छी चले, क्योंकि हर एक की दुकान है.
Bilkul, absolutely. If Shikha gave this speech in an auditorium, there would be a standing ovation. You know, people would be standing and clapping. But I hope and pray that you keep smiling like this. And guys, enjoy Dukaan. Wherever you are, go to an AMC near you, go to a Cinemax near you, go to Times Square. You know, go to. I'm sure Dukaan will have a worldwide release. Watch this film. Watch it on OTT. Support it. You know, the message is beautiful. So support good films. Keep watching the Monty Khan Show. Thank you so much, Shikha.
Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers of North America, I feel very proud and honored to be here in Mumbai today. I'm at the premiere of this wonderful movie, Dukaan, and let's put our hands together for the one and only Monica. Monica, awesome. I have no words to express how proud I am to be here with you. How proud are you? What a day for you. What an evening. What a moment.
I'm really glad I'm here because this is my first screening. This is my first theatre release, and you can see the crowd behind me.
They all love you. They all love you.
They're going crazy, and I'm loving it.
I heard. I wasn't in the same screen as you, but I heard you got a standing ovation. People cried. People laughed.
Yeah.
There was everything. There was everything in this movie, man. Is this a gift of God to you?
Of course, I feel very blessed. I feel very fortunate because, and I am very deeply feel for the writers also because they have written something like that. So we actors can perform something. You know, we have got the skills, but where to execute if there is no writer as such. So I'm like, I'm all heartful.
Are you gonna write a script now for the film fair?
Not at all. I just want to rock on the screen. That's it.
You just want to rock on the screen.
Yeah.
Now, surrogacy is a very delicate chapter in anybody's lives, and I've spoken to a lot of people before I speak to you. What is your take on surrogacy? Do you think it's a blessing for mankind or a curse? What do you think?
No, I surely think that it's a blessing, but I think surrogacy is something you cannot ignore it.
Correct.
We are just saying, just acknowledge it. I mean, just don't say that I don't know from where the baby comes. Don't use that kind of statement. Just give it just treat it with respect, and because eventually it will end the discrimination. So I think our movie is about that only. We are just asking to just acknowledge it, just to give a bit of respect, and so that
जो लोगों ने surrogacy किया उनको don't look down upon them.
Of course,
treat them as equals.
Yeah.
Don't make them feel like they're a taboo to the society or something wrong.
Yeah, sure.
But what did you learn in this entire process? 38 days you guys finished this movie. क्या सीखा है आपने सिद्धार्थ and Garima and with Sikandar Khair and the entire team?
So firstly, playing Jasmine, I am quite far away from this motherhood nature. मैं बिल्कुल भी relate नहीं करती हूँ, बिल्कुल भी I don't relate to that. And just doing this character, I don't know, I feel I feel very blessed as an actor कि ज़रूरी नहीं आपको real life में you have to go through something, but on screen if you can feel those emotions, and
that's what an actor is, man.
Yeah.
जैसे जो इंसान अगर एक cricketer का role play करता है, he's not a cricketer in real
Yeah.
life. But he has, that's what National School of Drama taught you.
Yeah.
Look at the people screaming, look at the joy,
Yeah.
look at the fun. I mean, I think Dukaan has opened doors, because everybody says, no, you need to have a Shah Rukh Khan, you need to have a Salman Khan.
Oh, this is a big deal, I mean, because
there's no A-listers, but still, what do you think?
I think, in OTT we have cracked this thing.
Okay.
Cracked in the sense that audience are there to witness the new faces. But in theatre, if you'll see, you need a hero. You need a big superstar. So for me, if this film works, this will break lot of boundaries and this will make part to lots of newcomers,
Yeah, absolutely. Even the producers are newcomers.
Yes.
It's a complete.
And I want to say hats off to my writers, director. क्योंकि this is such a courageous path जो बहुत कम लोग लेते हैं. just to bet on you. I'm like a horse, and they
एक लंगड़े घोड़े पर कोई बाजी नहीं खेलता.
कोई भी नहीं करना चाहता.
कोई भी
इसके
नहीं
बाद
करना
people
चाहता.
will do, but for me they are important क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर बाजी खेली.
क्यों लेकिन ऐसा क्या हुआ? How did they pick you up? I know you're from National School of Drama. For those people, the American audience, it's one of the biggest institute in India to be a part of National School of
Yeah.
Drama. And Miss Shivani जी, वो बहुत आपकी तारीफ कर रही थी.
वो मेरी सीनियर है.
वो आपकी सीनियर है. Yeah, you both are from National School of Drama. तो ये प्रोजेक्ट कैसे मिला?
सो सिद्धार्थ गरिमा ने मेरा शो देयर इज अ शो जामतारा नेटफ्लिक्स पे उन्होंने वो देखा था बट दे स्टिल वांट टू टेक एन ऑडिशन and I love that because I love when people ask for auditions, because this is not something to look down upon. I love the fact they are very crazy about the project.
Have you heard of an actor called Ben Kingsley?
Of course, I love him.
If Ben Kingsley can give an audition, तो हम क्या चीज़ है?
But in India, if you'll see that they'll question ki, are you doubting my acting talent?
Correct.
Ego.
The three word ego.
Yeah. So I think उन्होंने फिर भी जामतारा को पसंद करने के बाद भी they are like let's go for an audition. I was like yeah, let's do it. And I got a call and the first question I asked is why are you giving this role to me? Because I was surprised because there were lots of A-lister actors for the role.
Yeah.
But hats off to their courage. They were like I want you. We guys want you.
They just might have had that inner feeling from
inside. And फिर वो आप में as a actor बहुत pressure भी build करता है. It's like okay, they want me. I haven't done anything great, but let's make the best out of it. So yeah.
And that's how a star is born. कोई star ऐसे ही थोड़ी पैदा होता है. You have to deliver something. And I think that you won my heart when I saw the trailer. जब आपने वो लाइन बोली थी, वो बिजली वाली लाइन क्या बोली थी?
करंट को करंट लगता है.
करंट को करंट लगता है. I still couldn't get that, and I was going home and I was thinking about the lines. But Monica, I'm sure that this is a new beginning. Should I say it's a new beginning?
Yes. Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. And our audiences across the world in India is going to love you, admire your work. Any message that you want to give to newcomers? To
newcomers, yeah.
Just like yourself, who have faced challenges in
So
life.
especially to the newcomers, I want to say first of all, ask yourself and question what kind of actor you want to be. If you want to just play yourself, come here, just groom. But if you want to be a character actor, I would love to say that build your skills because जब आपके पास टैलेंट होता है उसको स्किल बनाने के लिए you have to work hard for that. Come to Bombay, execute it, take your bills home and enjoy your life.
Enjoy your life. And what is one thing you've learned from this entire cast, from Siddharth, Garima, from
I think be courageous. I think be courageous because these are the people जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ, they put a bet on me. So be courageous because this whole industry is all heartful. दिल कर रहा है तो कर दो.
दिल कर रहा है तो कर.
दिल कर रहा है तो करो. Just put a bet and just ride that horse.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. That's Monica who plays Jasmine. A wonderful story, a wonderful concept. Wherever you are in the world, make sure you go and watch Dukaan because this movie has a message.
Yeah.
And this movie
Lot
is
of education and entertainment.
Education and entertainment, which is a very rare commodity, and you'll get that in this movie. And I think I have a star next to me, and I see a lot of people here waiting to meet her, take pictures with her. Well, stars change. Yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Keep watching the Monty Khan Show, and that's Monica.
Thank you.
Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, all the viewers of North America, it's a pleasure and honor to be with the man of the year, the man of the moment, Bobby Deol. Sir, how are you doing? Welcome to our channel, ITV Gold, and all the viewers in North America. We love you, man.
Thank you so much. Love to all.
But let's talk about the evening. You've come here to grace for a movie which talks about surrogacy. What are your expectations of this movie? It's brand new.
I just feel that there's so many stories out there, and I'm happy for Siddharth and Garima. They've finally directed a film, and it's really nice. I'm just here to support them.
This film, as you see it, our industry talks about A-listers. It takes a lot of big names to bring audiences to the
It's nothing like
movie
that.
theater.
I just think that a good film will always work, even if there are no A-listers in it. It's just the content that matters eventually. Yes, it's going to be difficult for having... But how do you become an A-lister after doing films and then creating a name as an actor, as a director, as a technician? So.
And you've had a fabulous year, especially even your elder brother Sunny. So how was your experience working with Sandeep? Because he came here for
I
the
think
trailer.
I'm here to support Dukaan.
Dukaan,
and I'm really happy for these guys. I worked with Monica, the main actor here, in class of '83, and I'm really happy for her.
You know, I spoke to Himani ji, and the beautiful thing about this film is they actually shot it on locations. They've done a research for 5 years.
Well, I haven't seen the film, so it's great. I mean, it's hats off to the directors and the writers, because creating that kind of a subject and shooting in live locations and real locations, so I think it's great.
What is your take on surrogacy?
I have no take on anything. I'm happy that I'm alive and living and breathing.
Absolutely, brother. We wish you all the best, and you know our audiences love you, and thank you for coming and supporting. That's what true friendship is all about. Because you know it's easy to sit and send a text message, but to come down to a movie theater, physically supporting your friends is big.
Thank you.
Wish you all the very best, brother. Wish you all the very best. Enjoy the movie. Into Karan Singh again, you know it's become a routine in Mumbai that I keep bumping into Karan Singh because he's always there at all the great events covering. But this time he's being interviewed. So let me ask you about surrogacy. Is it a blessing or a curse for mankind?
I think if done the right way, of course it's a blessing because there are a lot of couples who cannot give birth to a baby, but if there is a surrogate mother who is willing to do that, and I don't know if it's supposed to be a business or not, that I'll get to know once I watch the movie. Yeah, I'll get to know once I watch the movie. But my love to Siddharth and Garima because they are very dear friends, and all my love to them.
And they have picked up a challenging subject. You know, Karan, as you know the vibe of the industry. You know how difficult this industry is. It's not easy to bring audience to a movie theater if you don't have an A-lister, on your banner. Never seen this face before. Never seen these faces before. Do you think that's a challenge?
It is a challenge, but having known Siddharth Garima personally and having known their body of work as writers, they've done films like Ram Leela, Toilet Ek Prem Katha. So I'm very hopeful that the audience now is smart and they will not just judge by whether there's an A-lister cast or there's a new face, but they should judge by the content. Watch the trailer, watch the songs. There's Arijit Singh singing for them. There's Shreya Ghoshal. Great story, great actors. So come to theaters and support this movie.
Excellent, guys, and that's the great Karan who's propagating this film. But I'll let him go and watch the film so at least he knows what he's propagating. So go ahead, buddy. Enjoy the movie. Enjoy the movie.